Siya yung sinasabi ko yung wastong pamamahala ng mga basura, tsaka yung mga paglagat ng kalaman sa wastong paggamit ng likas na yaman.
Section 2, Declaration of Policies. It is inherent declared the policy of the state to adopt a systematic, comprehensive, and analytical solid waste management program which shall A. Ensure the protection of the public health and environment. B. Utilize environmentally sound methods that maximize the utilization of valuable resources and encourage this resource conservation and use. Next, set guidelines and targets for solid waste avoidance and volume reduction through source reduction and waste minimization measures, including composting, recycling, use recovery, green charcoal process, and other before collection, treatment, and disposal appropriate and environmentally sound solid waste management facilities in accordance with ecological sustained development or response. Next, ensure the proper segregation, production, transport, storage, treatment, and disposal of solid waste through formulation and adoption of the best environmental practice in ecological waste management, excluding incineration. Next, promote national research and development program for improved solid waste management and resource conservation techniques, more effective institutional arrangement, and indigenous improved methods of waste reduction. Next, encourage greater private sector participation in solid waste management. Next, retain primary enforcement and responsibility of solid waste management with local government unit while establishing a cooperative effort among the national government, other local government units, non-government organization, and the private sector. Next, encourage cooperation and self-regulation among waste generators through the application of market-based instruments. Institutionalize public participation in the development and implementation of national and local integrated, comprehensive, and ecological waste management program. Last, strengthen the integration of ecological solid waste management and resource conservation and recovery practices to the academics, curricula of formal and non-formal education in order to promote environmental awareness and action among the citizenry.
Definition of terms. Control dam shall refer to a disposal site at which solid waste is deposited in accordance with the minimum prescribed standard of site operation. Ito, sa control dam, ito yung pag-control ng mga basura natin, tsaka yung sa mismong site kung saan hindi natapos yung mga naipong basura. Material recovery facility includes a solid waste transfer station or sorting station, drop-off center, a composting facility, and recycling facility. Ito yung sinasabi ni Ma'am last time, yung Amara. Meron daw tayo dito sa bawat barangay natin. Yung kinokolekta nilang basura, doon nila sinadala doon sa barangay sa Amara. Tapos doon nila, parang sinesegregate yung nag-iwan nila.
Surface recovery. Shall refer to the correction, extraction, or recovery of recyclable materials from the waste stripped from the of recycling, generating energy or producing product suitable for the waste recharging, provided that the recovery facilities include incineration. Ito yung solid waste management ng like paper, glass, organic, and plastic. Sanitary landfills. To refer to the waste disposal site designed, contracted, operated, and maintained in a manner that strict engineering control over significant potential environmental impact arising from the development and operation of the facility. And ang sanitary landfill ay malaking hukay na espasyo ng lupa na inalaan upang maging pagpunan ng basura sa isang komunidad.
Ecological Solid Waste Management Act. Violation penal provision. Section 48 prohibited acts. Number 1, littering, throwing, dumping of waste matter in public place such as road, sidewalk, canals, an establishment of closing of permanently the same. Number 2, undertaking the activity of operating, collecting of transportation equipment in violation of sanitation, operation, and other requirements of permits and or to establishing enforcement to this act. Number 3, the open burning soil waste. Yung saan nagsusunod tayo gano'n. Causing or permitting the collection of non-segregation or unsorted waste.
Yes.
Number 5, squatting in open dump and landfill. Number 6, open dumping, burning. Number 9, establishment of operation of open dump and during this act or closure of said dump in violation of section 37. What is section 37 of RA 909703? Statement of the non-open dump shall be established and operated nor or any practice or disposal of solid waste by any person including LTU which constitute the use of open dump for solid waste be allowed after the effective of this act. The manufacture, distribution of used non-environment acceptable packaging materials. So ano ba yung mga non-environment acceptable packaging? Yun yung mga ginagamit natin na plastic labo yung mga binibigit natin. Saka yung mga plastic, yung disposable na plastic, fork, saka kutsara, saka yung mga straw.
For example, ano yung
Number 11, environmental acceptable materials. Importation. Ini-import nila kasi sa ibang bansa na napunta sa atin na yun nga, yung for example nga yung mga sinabi mo na yung mga plastic labo na important and toxic waste is represented as recyclable or with recyclable content. Yung mga important of toxic waste kagaya ng naaamoy natin sila. Yung mga tulad ng gas, tulad natin, tulad ng mga gamit sa pagtatanim, like insecticide. Consultation and dumping in enforcement or presidential decree number 1586 and established and non-conforming with the land use plan for the operation yung construction, pinakalawak nila nang walang certificate ng request. Next. Number 15, the construction of the established with 200 meters was open tap or control tap or sanitary landfills and construction or operation of landfills or any waste disposal facility and on any water area or any dahil sa punishment, ito yung mga punishment ng mga binanggutuan nila at mga binanggit nila. Section 49, fines and penalties. Any person who violates Section 49, paragraph 1 shall be abandoned. Section 48, paragraph 1 shall be abandoned. Section will be punished with fines or not less than 300 pesos but not more than 100. Sa 1,000. Pwede rin siya render community service na isang araw pataas ng hindi lalabas sa 15 days. Any person, letter B, any person who violate Section 48, Part 2 and 3 shall be upon conviction be punished with a fine of not less than 300,000 pesos but not more than 1,000 pesos or imprisonment or not less than 1 day to more than 15 days spot. Letter C. Any person who violates Section 48, paragraph 4, 5, 6, and 7 shall upon conviction be punished with a fine of not less than 1,000 pesos but not more than 8,000 pesos. Imprisonment for not less than 15 days but 3,000 but not more than 6 months or more. Any person who violates Section 48, Part 8, 9, 10, and 11 for the first time shall be upon conviction, paid or fine or 500,000 pesos. An amount not less than 5% but not more than 10% of his net annual income during the previous year. Additional penalties of imprisonment of minimum period of 1 year but not to exceed 3 years of discretion of the court should be imposed for the second or subsequent violation of Section 48, paragraph 9 and 10. Letter A. Any person who violates Section 48, 12, and 13 should be upon conviction with a fine of not less than 10,000 pesos but not more than 200,000 pesos or imprisonment not less than 30 days but not more than 3 years or more. Any person who violates Section 48, 14, 15, and 16 shall be upon conviction be punished with a fine not less than 100,000 pesos but not more than 1 million pesos or imprisonment not less than 1 year but not more than 6 years or more. If not committed by a corporation, partnership or other
Thank you.
Thank you.